Hello, sir. Mr. Shetty is no more.
I am very sorry about Mr. Shetty. He was killed in road accident. In fact, he was not killed on spot. He was killed due to late arrival of emergency assistance. In fact, we witness daily that 19 people are killed every hour due to road accidents. And in that, 80% of people are killed due to late arrival of emergency assistance. As far as technology is concerned, India is growing very fast, every second. In fact, we are reaching on Mars. And technology have taken very much in advanced stage that even artificial intelligence is existing everywhere.
India has successfully put a satellite into orbit around Mars.
India was long seen as an outsourcing destination for companies in Europe and the United States.
And talking about this guy is not only in your pockets. This guy is in your brains, in our hearts. So, we know that we have reached very far in the terms of technology, but do we find that there is a justice with emergency assistance and aid services? Today it was Mr. Shetty. Tomorrow it might be you. Might be her. Might be him. I know it sounds very weird, but it's fact that emergency doesn't bell you priorly before it arrives. Well, when you have this amazing device with you, why to just use for entertainment purpose? Well, it can save your life too. Imagine how good could it be whenever the friend inside this phone quickly responds to your voice and then take a rapid action, tracks your location properly, quality assurance service, done, and then next provides you traffic management. You can use these services in 3 ways. One is mobile application, website, and then via call. Just tap book now from mobile application. Ambulance with paramedics will get a notification with your location as well as all the details. And then they will come towards you and then they will take you to the nearest hospital which is suitable to you. Isn't it that cool thing?